Question number 71. We have three objects that collide and they stick together, aka perfectly inelastic collision. What are the speed and direction? Just say velocity, people. So they need us to figure out in what direction and how fast all three of these objects will be moving. Now, look how wonderfully sweet and nice these people are, the ones that are creating this textbook. They're giving us only y component for this, only x component for this, and that at 45 degrees we'll have x and y component equal to each other. How beautiful. Because they want me to find speed, I'm not going to trouble myself with converting these guys. Just remember, if you were asked to figure out energy, you have to convert grams. If you're working with impulse, they will have to ask you for newtons times seconds. You will have to convert grams to kilograms. But if I'm just looking for speed, grams are going to cancel each other. Now I'm going to say my P1 is going to be 40 grams times 4 meters per second, 16 with a 0. That's grams times meters per second. You know how I'm doing it, right? So then your P2, and this is at 45 degrees, and that's going to be southeast. And then P2 is just 40 grams times meters per second north, and P3 is 90 grams meters per second west. Boom. So I got all my values here. Then I'm going to put them all in a table. So for x and y components, I'm going to separate them. Ultimately, this is just solving for vectors. Welcome to semester 1. The first one is angled. The second one is north. The last one is west. So for x and y component, this is negative 90, 0. This is 0. And what am I looking for? North 40. And then this is going to be 160. So it's going to be 80 roots of 2 and 80 roots of 2. Negative for y because it's dipping under. And then I'm going to put these together. Then I'm going to take Pythag and get 76.7. 71, so about 70. Well, I'll keep 76.71. The total mass, since I have 30 grams, 20 grams, and 40 grams, that's going to be 90 grams. So then I take my 76.71 and divide by 90 grams, 0.85.23 meters per second. The answer in the textbook is a little bit off. Depends upon how they were rounding. And then we need to figure out the angle. The direction of the momentum is the direction of the velocity. So if I'm looking for the direction of the motion, it's the same as the direction of the momentum. So therefore, I can just do inverse 10 of 73 degrees in the opposite direction. And your textbook is giving you 7285. Look at that. All of a sudden, they give you 4 sig figs.